Here we go out golfing.
Beautiful Carolina morning.
Yeah, it's really nice. Looks like a really nice course too. Just going to hit some range balls right now at the driving range, so that's how we're going to warm up. Yeah, it's nice here.
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Let's see where it went. Almost forgot my camera back there, so I ran back to go get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you walk over there, Carl, take and walk over with your putter and whatever. Hitting like a frickin' old lady today. I'm gonna blame it on not getting a good enough rest. Can't be me.
Where were you at now?
It's up by, you can see it right in the spot on the hill there.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Oh, they ain't playing in the sand this time. Oh,
I went over here. I think that's mine there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on the 18th hole now.
Trying to find balls.
Yeah.
Okay, you're straight over. That must be yours.
Yeah, right over there.
Oh, this is supposed to be mine here.
Yep. I'll grab my club and move my ball. Oh, we just finished golfing. We're heading up to the clubhouse. the name of this course again? Lane something?
Lane Tree.
Okay, Lane Tree Golf. Played 18 holes.
Where did we park?
Came in the backyard here. There's Kaya and Ethan on the swing. Casey back here, and where'd Gizmo go? There's Gizmo. I think he wants to go in or something.
Gizmo.
We'll get the ball, Gizmo.
Gizmo.
Not too interested. Right now the graduation is going on at the school, but not all of us were able to get tickets, so we're here waiting for everyone else to come back. See if you can flip it backwards.
I don't think we'll try that today.
Aww.
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
What do you think
Wonder
about
if
that?
this thing will hold me. Oh. Whoa. Whee. Whoa! I almost did a flip backwards. Oh! Oh, check out the hot babes. How was the graduation? Huh?
You made it.
Yep, we made it down here. I already got that box out of the truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. How was the graduation?
It was very, very good.
Good.
We graduated.
Yeah.